Hi guys, it's Jem from Ellie Bespoke. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these fishtail bows. It's been requested in my group for a while. I've been waiting for some fishtail fabric to arrive to be able to do it. So we're going to use this one today. It's an iridescent, some mermaid scale fabric. So you'll need some of that. You can do it with any fabric, but I find it's quite effective using the scale one. You'll need a pair of scissors, pen to draw around your template. The template I'm using is the Rosy Lou template, and it is middle part, which is 4.5 inches. I've also got a 65mm clip. You can also do this bow with a 45 or a 55mm clip. This is the teeth alligator clip and a glue gun. So let's get started on making one of these. So first of all, you need to draw around your template onto the fabric. What we do is we don't draw around the full template, you don't need to. So we draw around the first bit, and then we only draw sort of to there on the second bit. I'll show you that when I lift this off. So we've drawn around this side fully and this side just to the end. I'm just going to cut that out. Okay, so now we've got this cut out, what we need to do is make the fishtail shape at the other end. Now it is drawn by hand. If you're unsure about this, make your template in paper first, then you can use your template to draw around it with. So what I do is I look at where the centre is, and then I visualise where I want the points to be. So they both need to join into that centre. And we're going to go for that. So we'll cut around that. Like I say, you can make a template and use that, or you can do it by hand. I usually make all mine by hand. So let's see if that one's sort of similar to this one. Near enough exactly the same, and I've done it all by hand. So what we're going to do is we're now going to glue this part. And now what we need to do is add the clip. Like I said at the start of the video, you can use any size clip on these, but I'd say 65 at the biggest. So 65, 55 and even a 45 would work for this. And then what we need to do is take a piece of the excess fabric and I cut it to size. So I see the mermaid scales, and I'm going to cut it 1 mermaid scale width. Using the pattern on the fabric as a guide. Then we're going to pop a little bit of glue inside there. And wrap it round. Cut off the excess. Glue that bit. And there we have it. Fishtail bow. 2 fishtail bows done with iridescent fishtail fabric. And it's as simple as that. Like I say, you can make your own template using paper or card, just for that the fin at the back. If you're having trouble with it, leave me a comment in the comments box. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you are on Facebook and would like to join my Facebook group, search for Ellie Pops Bespoke YouTube. And there are people in there from all over the world who have watched my videos on YouTube and have any questions about things they're struggling with, and we all help each other as well as showing off our work. And there are some links in there to where you can get fabrics from too. So if you'd like to join that, search Ellie Pops Bespoke YouTube, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.